Now if you're after a laptop with some serious gaming grunt, well, Lenovo might have just made your day with its fresh new 9th generation Legion 5i. This latest Legion is a 16-inch behemoth boasting the latest Intel Core 14th Gen silicon, plus some Lenovo exclusive AI shenanigans that gives your gaming session a proper boot up the backside, so you can enjoy a fluid experience on that punchy 240Hz Quad HD display. And as an added bonus, it's not so massive that it'll absolutely put your back out. And this past week I've been doing a good bit of gaming on the Legion 5i, instead of stuff I should be doing like sleeping or picking up my kid from school. So here's a closer look at this beefy rectangle. Check out the video description down below for links to buy your own. It starts from just 1,450 quid from Lenovo.com, and a massive thanks to Lenovo for sponsoring this video. Cheers! Now first up, a gaming laptop it may well be, but I love just how smart the Legion 5i looks. You've got a recycled aluminium chassis here in Lunar Grey. Certainly a very premium design with lots of nice attention to detail, and it doesn't scream gaming laptop either, so it wouldn't look weird if you yank it out in a cafe or an office. But you got some wee touches of flair, like I really like the circular power button housed here right in the center of the chassis. And at 2.3 kilos, the Lenovo Legion 5i isn't the lightest gaming laptop around, but it's not cumbersome to lug around either. It's actually pretty skinny as well, considering how much is packed inside of this thing. You've got a pretty comprehensive selection of connections as well, including Thunderbolt with DisplayPort 1.4, as well as a regular USB-C port. You've also got a total of 3 USB-A ports. Got a memory card slot, some Ethernet action, and around back, a bit of HDMI 2.1. Now another highlight of the Lenovo Legion 5i gaming laptop is that gorgeous slick 16-inch IPS display in a 16:10 setup. And this boasts a supremely crisp Quad HD resolution, 2560 by 1600 pixels, so those visuals are beautifully finely detailed. You got full Dolby Vision HDR support and up to 240Hz maximum refresh, with of course full VRR support. And when you max out the brightness, it peaks at around 500 nits. You can even get gaming outdoors on this thing, as long as you're not playing anything too gloomy, the likes of Returnal. Might be a bit of a struggle. And it's not just a feast for your peepers either. The Legion 5i also boasts a stereo speaker output, that's dual 2-watt speakers. And even though these are downwards firing, they spaff out some serious audio. You boost that volume up, they're gonna fill an entire room with that sound. And the Legion 5i also sports a full HD webcam stuck away in that supremely skinny top bezel. So if you're doing a bit of streaming, or you're actually using your Legion 5i for work, doing a bit of Zoom call action, well, you'll come through nice and sharp. And as you can see there, the webcam not perturbed at all, even by really bright background light. If you do need a bit of privacy at any point, no worries, Lenovo has kindly built in a kill switch for that webcam. A quick flick of this and that feed is immediately annihilated. Fun fact, I too have a kill switch which is automatically activated after roughly 12 apple sours. And you've also got a dual mic arrangement here on the Legion 5i, so if you can't be bothered to slap on a headset or you just think it makes you look a bit silly, well, no worries. You can make do without. And because this is a 16-inch laptop, that means that keyboard has got plenty of room to breathe. It's actually a full-sized board stretching from edge to edge with a dedicated number pad built in. And I love some of the user-friendly touches, like the fact the cursor keys have been slightly separated from the rest of the bunch, and they're actually a decent size as well. And naturally, as this is a gaming laptop, you've got a good bit of RGB action for that backlighting. It's a quad zone type situation and fully customizable via Lenovo's Vantage app. Not only can you tweak the colors of each individual segment, but you've also got full brightness controls, and you can choose between different effects, including a static lighting arrangement. You can make the lights breathe, or get them doing a bit of a Mexican wave. Now, the Lenovo Legion 5i is powered by one of Intel's latest chipsets with its freshly optimized hybrid architecture. Woof! Mine is the Core i7-14659HX, backed by a generous 32 gigs of DDR5 5600 RAM, so you know that it's beefier than a cow pie, offering up to 170 watts TDP for when you really want to get serious. And Lenovo also allows you to slap in one of Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4000 series GPUs up to the 4070, which is precisely what you'll find snuggled inside of this wee bugger here. Fancy pants graphics ahoy! But it's not all just about beefy specs. Lenovo's Vantage software is slapped on here too, which allows you to toggle features like the network boost, which prioritizes your online games over everything else, and also allows you to prioritize either performance or battery life. Now in the thermal mode settings, you'll see you've got the usual options, the likes of a quiet mode if you're just doing something pretty chill, you want the laptop to be silent, and of course the performance mode if you really want to get your game on. But you'll also now see in the balanced mode there's an option to enable the Legion AI Engine Plus, as powered by Lenovo's clever new LA1 chip. And with this feature enabled, the Legion 5i can automatically detect whenever you load up a game, and it can then expertly tweak the performance settings on your behalf to ensure you get the best possible gaming experience. And this includes real-time monitoring of the CPU and GPU loads to make sure that gameplay stays fluid, even when you're gaming for hours at a time and not bothering with things like toilet breaks. After all, why interrupt the action when there's a perfectly good Lucozade bottle right there? Now this right here isn't the final retail model of the Legion 5i, so I haven't run any benchmarking just yet, as it won't be indicative of the final performance. Good word, that, indicative. But even though this is a pre-production unit, the Legion 5i absolutely smashed its way through some of the biggest and best games out there. Naturally, I tried it with a good bit of Forza Horizon action. And thanks to Nvidia's GPU, you got full DLSS support, you got ray tracing for slick looking reflections and real-time shadows, etc., which is obviously essential when you're hurtling along at 200 miles per hour, desperately trying not to die. I don't know about you, personally I've never really been one to bother with roads when you can just drive in a straight line towards your destination, fences and trees and small local businesses be damned. A perfect plan, occasionally scuppered by pesky things such as bridges. I also had no troubles whatsoever blasting through the likes of Spider-Man Remastered on the highest graphics settings with all those lovely ray tracing features and other posh swanky stuff enabled. That frame rate stayed fluid throughout, even when there was lots of crazy stuff happening on screen. Mostly people just trying to smash my face in. And good old Returnal as well, a game that I infinitely suck at, but find strangely compelling. And of course it is a demanding title, certainly when you boost the graphics all the way up to the highest possible settings as I did. But once again, the Legion 5i coped admirably. And that gorgeous Quad HD screen, a stunning way of taking in the atmospheric visuals here. Beautiful contrast, you can still see what's going on, even when things get proper murky, and actually stand a semi-chance of survival. Or not so much if you are prone to falling off massive cliffs like I am. And the performance here ably supported by Lenovo's built-in Legion cold front hypercooling system. This helps to keep things chillier than a wet winter weekend in Scarborough. All of that hot air is continuously and rapidly spaffed out of the back end in a scene reminiscent of myself after Vindaloo night. So you can keep on gaming indefinitely without worrying about the Legion 5i getting a bit toasty. It's more effective than previous generations, keeping the machine even cooler while boosting the performance even further. And yeah, it does get pretty noisy when it really gets going, but it stays effective. Even after hours of gaming, I didn't see any throttling whatsoever. And in yet further good news, you get 3 free months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate chucked in when you bag yourself a Lenovo Legion 5i. So you too can smash into every barrier going in Forza Horizons. Or, you know, maybe actually win a race if you know how to drive properly. As for the rest of the specs of the Legion 5i, well, you've got an 80 watt-hour battery stuffed inside of that silver chassis. I haven't tested out the battery life though, as I say, this isn't the final retail model. You've also got yourself a choice of either 512 gigs or a full terabyte of PCIe Gen 4 storage. So that right there, in a delicious wee nutshell, is the fresh new Lenovo Legion 5i 16-inch gaming behemoth. And if you're tempted by a Legion 5i, as I say, full links and more information bunged down in the video description down below. It'd be great to hear your thoughts on the Legion 5i thus far. A massive thanks again to Lenovo for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on at Techspert Towers. And please do plug subscribe, ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!